advantage of the fact that FU is one, playing overly aggressive, and two, they're in foul trouble. And speaking of aggressive, what a drive to the ring. Nakai. Look at Nakai here, just hanging in the air, maintaining balance, and getting that easy bucket. And FEU, with 3 minutes remaining in the ball game, that's another bucket. And there we go, Nakai, aggressive Nakai, able to draw a foul, two defenders, despite the chaos of the ball game right now. Shelton, and great job by NU. Although FU able to recover, sneaks his way inside. And Nakai has been carrying the load, manning the helm. And there we go, open three, it's good for Nakai. Nako, you cannot leave him open.